Hi! In front of me is CHUWI Ubook X, and today I would like to show you how you can enable voice typing. Start by going into Devices Settings and clicking on the Privacy section. Following that, select Speech and click on this white switcher under Online Speech Recognition. As you can see, voice typing is now on. In order to check it, access your keyboard and click on the microphone icon at the top left corner. Then start talking after seeing proper command. Of course, you need to plug in your microphone first. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!